In a major leadership shakeup at the Social Health Authority A, the board has decided to place CEO Elijah Wachira on compulsory leave. Robert Ingasira has been appointed as the acting CEO, a move announced by SHA Chairman Dr. Abdi Mohammed. The official communication from Dr. Mohammed to Elijah Wachira reads, "This is to inform you of the resolution of the board to send you on compulsory leave effective immediately for a period of 90 days to allow for further investigations into your professional conduct and performance as Acting Chief Executive Officer of Social Health Authority. While on leave, you shall be entitled to all your current remuneration and benefits." The notice further specified that Mr. Robert Ingasira will take over as Acting Chief Executive Officer. The board has directed Elijah Wachira to hand over his duties to Ingasira without delay. This decision comes amid a period of scrutiny and internal review of the SHA's operations and leadership practices. The board emphasized that the compulsory leave does not imply a final judgment on Wachira's conduct, but is intended to facilitate a thorough and impartial investigation. The appointment of Robert Ingasira as acting CEO takes effect immediately, and he will oversee the organization's operations and lead ongoing initiatives in Wachira's absence. The SHA's board is expected to provide further updates on the investigation's findings and any subsequent actions.